In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can design a YouTube banner on canva.com. It's absolutely for free. So if you are new my channel, please make sure like and subscribe this channel. So first things you need to going on Canva, you need to just write on search bar YouTube banner. Just click on enter and you can find out lots of template free and paid. So you need to find out for free. Example purpose, I have a paid plan, so I can able to open up any region here. So when you a free user, you must be need find out free template. Example purpose, I open a this design here. You need to just customize. Just click on customize this template. Anyway, if you don't know how to doing this or perfectly, just going my video description, then I will attach a link, Fiverr link. Here you can hire somebody from Fiverr, they help you. Example purpose, here are right Canva. Just click on enter. Here the lots of professional. You can see already this person, and this person is top rated Fiverr choose, and I hope you understand really well. So just go to here, example purpose. If you want to replace this image, as you want to add your image here, so just delete this image, then just upload here your image. Example purpose, I have a my photo here. Just click on background removal. Background removal are paid option. So when you use free method, you must be background remove from the Google service. Here are, and just click on free online background remover. I hope you are doing this or perfectly. You can see this is a remove.bg, and this is a 100% free website. You can remove any photo background. So just doing this work, then import on Canva, then just import here your image. Okay, that's good. If you want to change this name, simple purpose, I write my name here, then I want to delete this one, and this is my name, travel blogger. You can see here is a right trick reviewer. Every video at 8 p.m. everything are customizable. So this is a method you can design a YouTube banner on canva.com. So now just going on share button, then go to download, then download as a PNG. It's a high quality. I hope you are doing this or perfectly. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.